Today we'll talk about virtual machines. A virtual machine is a software-based emulation of a computer. You can think of it as a virtual computer or a computer within a computer. The benefits of a virtual machine are that it's isolated from the host computer. It can't cause problems on your computer. You can test and experiment new things, learn, and you can run multiple operating systems at the same time. There is different software that can create virtual machines. There's links in the description below to all these products. There's Oracle VirtualBox, Microsoft's Azure. Parallels is for Mac computers, primarily to install Windows on a Mac. And lastly, VMware Workstation and Fusion. I'll be using VMware Workstation Pro. This is on a Windows 11 computer. Gotta turn on the virtual machine just like turning on a computer. We'll boot to the desktop and open Safari. This is version 12 of the operating system Monterey that was released in the fall of 2021. Their newest version, Tahoe, I had errors with that. I couldn't get it to work. Next, we'll boot to the Windows XP virtual machine. We'll get to hear the famous login chime. I'll put a link in the description. You have to get the XP updates through the legacy update site. The Microsoft update server does not exist anymore. Many updates to install. I downloaded the Hitman Pro virus scanner. I still have to put a antivirus real-time monitor on here. Now on to Linux. We'll use the Zorin version, or also called distribution. All this is running within Windows 11. We can have the virtual machines all open at the same time. When you're done using the virtual machines, you can close each one, just like turning off your computer. In a future video, I'll create a virtual machine from scratch.